This is the contract terms for a new employee. Now we are going to make an online meeting ya Mbak. So Mbak
Mm-mm.
Amanda, you will be the HR. Ini udah makanannya Mbak Amanda nih setiap hari, ya kan? And I will be the candidate. So
Okay.
just imagine that we have already made the previous interview, and for this second online meeting, it's only discussing about the contract terms. And there are so
Mm-mm.
many unclear that I want to say, and I also will combine with the some technical problems like connection, Wi-Fi, or freezing. Okay.
Okay.
And then whenever you see that something happened, but Amanda, you can respond. Yeah, you can respond directly. For example, like but Jordis, are you still on? Are you still with us? But Jordis, you are in and out. Okay. Or for example, you are lead this online meeting, so maybe you are the one who can share the file. Just imagine that, oh,
Mm.
I'm going to share this, the file. Yeah. So you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
For example, I will stop the, yeah, and then we meet, and then whenever you say, I'm trying to share screen, so I'll have to screen to share the screen.
Okay. Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so
Going to,
okay. Hello, good morning, Bajodis.
good morning, Miss Amanda.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you for telling me for this meeting.
Yeah, so first of all, I want to say congratulations that from your previous interview that I have received the result from the hiring manager that we are going to offer you for the position learning of XYZ companies. And so today I want to tell you about the offering package that we are provide to your role position. And before that, uh, please wait. I wanna. Okay, are you still here, Mbak Jodis?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Can you hear me? I'm sorry for my bad
Yes,
connection.
yes, yes.
Okay. Is it clear?
Uh, yes, it's clear now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I wanna share screen about your offer package details. Yeah. So here you go. And maybe for this session, I will explain the details about the contracts terms for new employees. And the first one that you are applied is Learning and Development Manager. Is it right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So for the Learning and Development Manager, as we are uh, mentioned on LinkedIn before, this is a full-time position with permanent after 3 months probation passed. So you will be under probation period review for 3 months. After that, your probation will be reviewed with the HR manager, and it will be bingung.
And you are will be evaluating.
Oh yeah.
You
There you
are
are.
will sorry. You will be evaluated, or your performance will be evaluated by. Nah, that's correct. Your
Okay, okay.
performance your performance during the probation period will be evaluated by our manager.
Okay, okay. And after the 3 months probation period ends, your performance will be evaluated by our manager to decide whether you are promoted to be permanent or you have to apa ya namanya or you have to extend for a month contract letter. Ya, seperti itu.
Extend.
Extend. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Excuse me.
Extend.
Do you mean that 3 months probation, that I need my performance will be uh, evaluated by your manager? And what about I couldn't come to the office during this probation? For example, I had another uh, activities with my family, or accidentally I get a problem, or something problem happens, or maybe I was sick. Uh, would be would be the evaluated by your manager. I mean, those will go to that. My performance will be affected by those performance. I mean, my performance during the attendance will be affected by my absence.
Okay, so thank you for the question. Let me clarify it first. Jadi, so for the annual leave, our company give the employees for 20 days annual leave, and you could apply it for the first day of the onboarding. So if you are going to somewhere else, maybe you are going to concert, music concert, or you are going to a family trip staycation, as long as you are submitted the email approval from the manager through the link submission, it's not affect your probation evaluation performance. Huh,
Okay, I see.
yeah. Okay. So I want to continue the contracts details. And yeah, as you know, the learning development will be reporting to the HR director. And your job description is responsible for designing, implementing, evaluating learning and development strategies to improve employee performance and career growth across the organization. It it seems like you will be coordinating with the all over organizations employees and listen to their needs, and then you have to implement the strategy for the trainings based on their needs. Yeah, something like that. So for the working arrangement, the working schedule, it start from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. But it would be flexible as long as you complete your task for the end of the day. So you can leave the company as long as you finish the task. And for the crucial one, your basic salary, it's the total of 20,000 rupiahs. Yeah, 25,000 rupiahs. It's net because we are apa ya? Because we are covering the employee tax. So it's not be itu apa Mbak bahasa Inggrisnya?
Excuse me? Can you start over again?
Bebankan. What is dibebankan in English?
Dibebankan?
Ya,
Dibebankan apa ya? Dibebankan gimana nih? Konteksnya gimana nih?
tax kayak PPh satu or BPJS dan lain-lain itu di cover oleh perusahaan.
Mm-mm. Jadi yang dibebankan ke Mbak gitu. Jadi dibebankan ke saya gitu.
Jadi, ya, jadi the monthly monthly
Cover juga
salary,
bisa.
oh, covered ya.
Cover juga bisa. Contohnya PPh satu. How do we say PPh satu in English ya? For example, like yeah, we can say occupational tax go
Oh, oke.
over you. You will for example, the occupational tax will go over you gitu.
Oh,
You go
oke,
over
oke, oke.
you, or you will cover, bisa dirubah. You will cover this tax.
Mm,
Yeah,
okay.
you will cover this tax. Dibebankan cover. Or
Okay.
this tax will go to
Um,
you. Will go to you.
mm, okay. So for the monthly base salary, you will get the total 25 TPS for a month, and the occupational tax will be covered by the company. And since it's a managerial level, so you will get the performance bonus. It's up to 2 months salary, and it's based on your KPIs achievement. And di luar gaji pokok, besides of your salary, there will be a communication allowance worth to 500 500 rupiahs for a month, and the transportation allowance is worth to a thousand. Kok aku jadi kebingung kebalik-balik sih? A, a
Five hundred
thousand, 1.000.
thousand.
A- oh
Five
yeah,
hundred thousand.
500,000.
Uh-huh. Juta
Five
apa?
hundred thousand, and the transportation is
Million.
100 million.
1 million.
Yeah, a million,
A
one
million.
million hundred.
Ah,
A
no, no,
million.
no.
Yeah,
Only one
yeah,
million.
yeah, million rupiah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Five hundred
Okay, okay,
thousand. 1 million. A million. Boleh.
okay. And the transportation allowance is worth to a million rupiah, and there's a lunch meal is worth to 50,000. It's only for working days only, yeah, Monday to Friday. And besides that, there
Excuse
are
me.
insurance that are.
Excuse me. I'm sorry to interrupt, Miss Amanda. May I
Yes,
ask something
go
question?
ahead.
Yeah. Our work office hour is start from 9 to 6 p.m., right? And what about if I get an overtime? So how is it the calculation of this fee? And what about the meal?
Okay, so for the overtime, there will be a overtime fee that is 10% from your monthly salary, and it would be paid along with your monthly payroll.
Very nice. Oh, okay, that's understandable. Thank you.
Okay, so for insurance, we are covered the BPJS Kesehatan, BPJS Ketenagakerjaan, and then for leave, oh tadi aku mention 20 ya. And leave, I'm sorry, I think there is a lack of misunderstanding that I mentioned for the annual leave is 20 days
20 days.
a year before, but actually we have 12 days a year. And
Yeah.
beside that, we have the sick leave with doctor's note, and it's not um affected your. Okay, hi, Mr. This. I think you are have a trouble with your connection. Can you hear me?
I'm sorry,
I
can you
can
start
see
over again,
your.
please?
Please.
I didn't catch your point.
Okay, so for the leave submission, for the leave SOPs, that you will get the annual leave for 12 days a year, and it's not affected by the sick leave with the doctor's note as long as you submit the doctor's note by the link submission, so it will not cost your annual leave. Yeah. I think you are still on mute. I can hear your voice.
I'm sorry. Can you hear my voice now? Is it
Yes,
clear?
clear.
All right. Thank you so much, Miss Amanda, for telling me and this explain me about the contract terms. Actually, the contract term is understandable and acceptable for me and as for my position, and every single thing has already explained clearly by Miss Amanda. Um, is it okay if I have another upcoming question? So can I approach you?
Yes. If you have another question, you can reach me. Feel free to reach out my WhatsApp number.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Amanda. Um, so far that's all for me. There is nothing question for me. That's
Okay.
clear.
Okay. Thank you, Mercedes, and welcome aboard to XYZ Company.
Oh, my pleasure. Nah. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have already have a simulation, have a simple simulation for the is it onboarding? Yeah. For the upcoming meeting. Uh, actually, we have another one. Oh, everything has already discussed. Everything has already discussed, and we have already wrapped up for meeting 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Maybe next meeting, udah cepet banget ya. Next meeting, I will going to design again the simulation. Yeah, maybe the
Okay.
simulation is a little bit more complicated because you are going to explain something. Yeah, you are going to explain
Okay.
something. Maybe I will provide you with the slide or PowerPoint, and you can read. Uh, Not only reading, you are going to explain something. And yeah, I also have another uh, technical problem, and then interruption, and then what is it? Uh, Apologize. Yeah. And let me design something. And for the test, we also have a test on the same day on the upcoming meeting. Yeah. So you are going to have two
Okay.
simulation, the post
Okay.
test and also the simulation. For the post test, we are going to have conduct the whole skills like interviewing and whatever. Maybe I will send
Okay.
you before a day before, yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Uh,
The PowerPoint I will send you tomorrow for the PowerPoint. Okay,
okay.
because today is so smooth. Do you have any question? Smooth banget ya.
Is it? Iya. Apa? Berarti untuk post test sama simulationnya,
Mm-mm,
it will be held on the same day ya, Mbak?
mm-mm, mm-mm.
Oh, oke. Itu starting from 7 p.m.
7 up
Hmm.
to 8:30. Ya,
Oh, oke. Alright.
karena materinya udah kita borong semua tadi. Sampai meeting
Oke,
11
oke.
itu sebenarnya ini meeting 11 itu leading online meeting.
Oh, oke, oke.
Nah, besok juga kita akan simulasinya seperti leading online meeting juga.
Oke,
Alright, thank you so much, Mbak
siap.
Amanda. Jadi besok terakhir meeting kita dan mungkin aku minta reviewnya kali ya di get kelasnya.
Oh, oh berarti written kan?
Iya,
Teks
written
kan?
aja.
Bukan,
Heeh.
bukan ngomong.
Ngomong juga boleh. Kenapa sih emangnya? Ngomong juga boleh. Nanti aku taruh di itunya apa
Lupa.
di apa di video untuk bisnis Inggrisnya. Ada
Tapi
banyak
kalau
sih,
bahasa
ada.
Indonesia pede
Boleh bahasa Indonesia boleh.
ya. Nanti itu aja mention key point apa aja yang harus di-mention ya.
Ah, itu aja apa skillnya apa aja. Kita ngomongin apa aja sih selama 10 materi,
Heeh.
10 meeting
Oh,
gitu-gitu. Terus kita ngapain
oke.
aja sih selama 1,5 jam setiap pertemuan tuh kita ngapain aja. Oke.
Oke, oke,
Thank you
oke.
so much Mbak Amanda.
Siap.
Sorry mengganggu waktunya.
Thank you,
Aku
Mbak
suka nggak
Gigi.
enak deh kadang-kadang.
Enggak, enggak. Aku yang udah molor banget.
Enggak. Biasanya kan, biasanya nih ya, kan kita suka lewat-lewat ya jam 9, kadang-kadang suka kayak gitu kan. Ya santai aja,
Iya.
soalnya kan tau lah masih sendiri gitu. Kalau sekarang aku takut lagi ditungguin tuh di depan laptop kayak gini. Wah, ya udah deh, aku harus cepat-cepat
Enggak,
sortinya.
enggak.
Oke,
Enggak.
thank you,
Makasih
Pak.
ya, Mbak,
Thank you, Mbak
ilmunya.
Amanda. Bye. See you
Bye.
next time. Assalamualaikum.